Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today, I am going to discuss about selection of the patient for the contact lens. Here, patient selection procedure is one of the most important things for practitioner. Before advising contact lens as a practitioner, we should assess for whether the patient will able to maintenance of the contact lens and will be able to follow the instruction as required. Otherwise, patient may have to suffer various complications related to contact lens. Let us start to know about selection of the patient for the contact lens. Before proceeding for the contact lens fitting, the practitioner must determine whether the patient is suitable for contact lens or not. Besides the visual indications and the following criteria should also be considered after the initial examination is done. Here, apart from visual indication, following criteria also should be assessed. Number 1, motivation. The patient will be a successful lens wearer only if the patient is self-motivated to wear contact lenses. There may be some apprehension in beginner's mind which can be taken care of by convincing them and overcoming their fears with lenses. So here motivation means even though patient is self-motivated to wear contact lens, but still patient might have some confusion and fear. So here, as a practitioner, we have to convince them and make them understand all their doubts. Next, number 2, hygiene. If the patient does not have a good personal hygiene, he is not a suitable candidate for lenses. He may land up with infections which can be sight threatening at times. Here, mainly when you will see the patient from patient appearance, you will be able to identify whether patient is hygienic or not. Next, number 3, compliances. Some maintenance instructions may be outlined to the patient. The patient should be ready to comply with the instructions. The do's and don'ts of the lens wear properly. Here, mainly patient should be ready to follow the instructions related to the contact lens. Next, number 4, availability. The refractive error of the eye should be within the range of the manufacturer's supply. Here, before advising the contact lens, practitioner should keep in mind regarding availability of the contact lens. Next, number 5, refractive error. Contact lenses are indicated for all types of refractive errors. The lenses are superior than the spectacles as they eliminate most of the aberrations, give wider field of vision, and reduce anisoconia. Here, contact lenses have more advantage than spectacles, as it eliminates most of aberration, wider field of vision, and reduce anisoconia. Next, contact lenses are the best option for anisometropia correction, especially in unilateral aphakic. Here, contact lens is best option for those patients who has different power in both eyes. Next, to eliminate irregular astigmatism, lenses in the bracket rigid is the only option. Here, RGP contact lens helps to eliminate irregular astigmatism. Next, nowadays lenses are available for presbyopes also. Here, those patients have distance and near power can also wear contact lenses. Hope you all have understood the selection of the patient for the contact lens. Thank you.